Delta State, Nigeria. This is a local announcement alerting the villagers of a fishing festival slated to hold the next morning. It's 11 p.m. and yet a large crowd of people is purchasing the $30 worth of ticket that grants you access into the fishing area of the river. Even at this ungodly hour, I decide to visit the river. My guide tells me several hundreds of men will spend the night at the riverbank tonight. It was deep into the night and deep into the silent forest. Although afraid, I drive deeper into the heart of the forest. We finally arrive at the riverbank. Key actors preparing their nets and canoes for the showdown at daybreak. Some taking a nap under the protection of mosquito nets. Now hold your breath. It's daybreak. The fishermen are eager now, waiting for the signals, the official opening of the harvest. And then, this is how they scramble to take their positions. This competition is not for the faint-hearted.
Yeah, it's a town hall.
The sacred hall of Urude, regarded as the god of this river. Women are forbidden to pass through the front of this shrine. It is a taboo that might bring untold misfortune and disaster to the fishermen. The woman at the center of this commotion was halfway into this forbidden area when she was quickly asked to retreat. Now she sees some sorts of trouble. She's a stranger, she explains. She never knew that area was a restricted area. But, as they say, ignorance of the law is no excuse. Her action is a clear violation of the express command of the gods. What will happen to her now? Oh, she's lucky. She is pardoned as she didn't completely cross the forbidden area. Panicked and thankful, she hurries away. Now she is in a position to warn others never to make the same mistake. This is the children's section of the river. Some of these children would eventually harvest fish worth $150 to $200. This is by no means little achievement. Men at work. Everyone is active and serious. Extremely serious. Time is of essence. This is a serious matter. The slow and steady do not win the race here. A moment of distraction and fish can disappear from your net. This was a brawl, for want of a better term, between two siblings. One suspects the other of taking his fish. It took the local security one hell of a time to restore order and peace between the two siblings. I was tired and needed to recharge.
I will recharge later.
Suddenly, we hear there is a situation. Someone invited by a friend to come join in the fishing festival is the victim. For obvious reasons, I cannot get nearer. I decided to have a word with the chairman of the community. The gods of the river have been consulted, he tells me. Preliminary investigation reveals the unfortunate situation could have resulted from something else.
Assuming Oyibo now want to come, are they allowed?
Yes, everybody is allowed to come to this festival. From every part of the world, they're allowed to come.
Nevertheless, the fishing festival would have to be brought to an abrupt end because of the tragic incidents. Train your children financial education from a young age. Involve your children in your businesses so they could carry on when you are gone. 2. There's no brother in business. 3. Approach your business with every degree of seriousness and urgency if you want to succeed. Do you see any other lesson in this festival?